So you're going to use a 14mm socket. We're going to remove this nut off this wiper arm and this nut here. I'm going to go ahead and wiggle and pull up on this. And do the same for the other side. There's a series of these Phillips head screw inserts. There's a whole series across the front. And then on the upper portion, we have some Phillips screws and some plastic push pins. So we're going to go down the front and then back on the other side. I want to go ahead and use a small pick to get underneath these plastic buttons here. And pop those up, and underneath is going to be a series of those Phillips head screws. So it's easier to get these upper Phillips head screws with the hood in its down position. So we're going to go ahead and remove these all the way across the front. I'm going to go ahead and lift these up. And remove these. I'm going to go ahead and remove the connector from the windshield wiper motor. Press in on this tab. Wiggle that harness off. Next, we're going to use an 8mm socket and remove this bolt here, this one right here, and this one down here. Using an 8mm socket, I'm going to go ahead and remove the 3 8mm bolts holding the wiper motor to the transmission. I'm going to go ahead and remove this linkage arm right here. I'm going to go ahead and take our wiper arm and our motor, feed it through, and install the bolts. Do this for all 3 of the bolts, and then we'll snug those down. I'm going to go ahead and use a pair of pliers. We want to go ahead and pull the ball unit out of this cap. And pop it out like so. And go ahead and pop this on. And go ahead and install our transmission unit. We'll go ahead and get our upper bolt started first. Let's get that started by hand. Move to the one down in front here. Go ahead and get that one started. And then repeat for the last one at the end. Go ahead and snug these down. I'm going to torque these down to 13 foot-pounds. Go ahead and reconnect the motor. And go ahead and install our trim piece here. go ahead and install our Phillips head screws across the upper trim with the hood closed. Once we get all these in, we're going to put on our plastic caps. And then we'll open the hood and we'll install our forward mounted plastic inserts. And I'll install our little plastic trim buttons here. And do this all the way across the front. I'm going to go ahead and install our little plastic trim locks here. You can go ahead and install your wipers. You probably have a line on the windshield from where the wiper blade was sitting initially, as we do. Now line that up, and we can go ahead and get our nut started. We do the same for the other wiper arm. I'm just going to go ahead and snug these down. I'm going to torque down the wiper arm nuts to 26 foot-pounds.